Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do sort of an extension to my review of the Lego Spider-Man and Ghost Rider vs Carnage set by doing a quick tutorial on how to build a custom Ghost Rider bike. And so today we're just going to do that. So before you start off, you need all of these pieces that you just saw, all of those before you start, so you can always just pause the video now and go and get those pieces. So I'm going to start off by using one of these bases with the handlebars that are like connected there, and then you want to grab two wheels. It doesn't really matter which colour wheels, you can really use any, but today I'm just using these light grey pieces. You want to connect those like that, and then you want to grab these two black pieces here, which are the really small ones, and just stack them and put them on there here. And then you want to do the same with this black piece and this orange piece. Just connect them like that and then add them on like that. So it should look like that at the moment. Then you want to grab these two pieces, the light grey piece and the orange piece, and just connect them like so, and then add them, and then do the same with these. I keep dropping pieces today. Do the same with these, and then you should have these sides covered in two studs like that. And then you want to take your like stud launchers, but the ones that aren't the actual ones that the minifigs can hold. These are the brick ones where you can connect. So you want to just put them on with the stud at the back on the top stud here, like that. So it should look like that. Then you want to grab your, I don't know what this piece is called, but these thing that can secure these two, and just put that on there. Then do the exact same on the other side by grabbing that and there. And that is how to build the bike. Now we're going to show how to build the chain, which is really simple. All you want is a long Lego chain and two of these pieces. You want to just connect them like so, and on the other side just like that, and then you can get Ghost Rider here who can hold that. So that's what how to build these short tutorial today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.